I'm a landlord-tenant attorney in the state of Georgia. It's been a moment, but I'm back. And this time I am back with advice on what to do when you find yourself with repair issues. What do you do? Well, you have a few options open to you. The first thing that you want to do, that you want to make sure that you do, is have a paper trail. So make sure that you are putting in writing requests, and if you do have to speak to someone in person, know that you can record them. You don't have to tell them that you're recording them, and it's still admissible in the state of Georgia. Probably better not to use a camera, even though it's nice to to have the video. Just use audio, because once you tell somebody that you're recording them with audio, they tend to get pretty ticked off, and you want to try to avoid a confrontation. I've mentioned before that you can do repair and deduct, so you can look at those other videos for advice on how to do that. You can, for any repairs that you have done yourself, that you've come out of pocket for, technically the landlord is liable to reimbursement for you, so you can contact them and ask for a rent credit based on repairs that you made yourself, or if it's been cold and you bought space heaters on your own, it's hot, you bought your own portable AC, something like that. You can try to ask for a rent credit back. If you've already paid for it and it's not exactly a repair and deduct, so it's something you have to kind of haggle with them about. If it's not you directly repairing something. Then also, if the conditions are so bad that honestly you have not been living there, you've had to stay other places periodically because of the conditions, you can do something called arguing constructive eviction. It can get tricky to do if you don't have an attorney with you, but you can write to them and say, I've been constructively evicted, the property is not habitable enough for me to stay, so therefore landlord breached this agreement, and I'm considering it terminated, I'm moving out. Now, in order to claim constructive eviction, you have to move out. But if you do so, then you can claim that the lease was terminated and be done with that. Or you can try to haggle with the landlord, when you're moving out, and say, I want to break my lease without penalty. And they might allow you to do that. So these are just some options for you.